Hello, Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Wednesday, February 3rd. The Department of Health is reporting no new cases today. We currently have one active case in isolation. None are hospitalized. We have 3 people in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is now 209, including 178 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 30 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. We have additional numbers to share with you today, and we welcome our Economic Development Director, Nalani Bruin, who will provide updates on our visitor industry and visitor numbers.
Mahalo, Mayor. According to the Hawaii Tourism Authority Hotel Performance Report, Kauai ended 2020 at 33% occupancy for the year, down 39.7%. This is similar to Maui, which ended at 33.9%, the island of Hawaii at 38%, and Oahu at 39%. Despite the differences in our approaches to managing travel, occupancies on the different islands are similar. In the week of January 17 to 23, Kauai's occupancy rate was at 19.7%, Maui at 20.1%, and Oahu at 21.7%. Kauai had more than 1,400 visitors graduate out of the Enhanced Movement Quarantine or resort program since January 5th. This includes Timbers, Kukui'ula, Marriott Kauai Beach Resort, Hilton Garden Inn, Ko'akea, and the Cliffs at Princeville. We will now be adding capacity in this program with the 2 new approved EMQs, the Point at Poipu and the Hanalei Bay Resort. And the numbers are growing. The EMQs or resort bubbles are seeing an increase in bookings for February. There are also new flights coming in this month and next from United and American Airlines. An HTA anthology study reports that 99% of incoming travelers said that they were aware of local government mandates prior to arrival on Kauai. Thank you to the Kauai Visitors Bureau, Sue Kanoho, and her team for working so hard to spread the word on how to get through the arrival system and how to visit Pono. Due to all your hard work and sacrifice, the County of Kauai remains in Tier 4, the least restrictive tier, which allows most businesses and activities, especially those that primarily serve residents, to remain open. It also allows sports to remain active and ongoing. This is sadly different than other counties that continue to enforce stricter restrictions on businesses and activities. We thank you for your help in keeping our case count low so that we can remain in Tier 4.
Mahalo, Nalani. I'd like to echo our deep appreciation to Sue Kanoho and the Kauai Visitors Bureau team who has shifted their operation to help inform our visitors of our travel rules and expectations through their call center and marketing efforts. To view KVB's latest campaign, please visit their official Facebook page at facebook.com/Kauai Visitors Bureau. And now, with an update on our vaccination program, we welcome Lauren Guest, our Kauai District Health Office Public Health Preparedness Planner.
Thank you, Mayor. To date, we have administered more than 13,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccine on Kauai. Our vaccine rollout has been very smooth thanks to the hard work of our Kauai District Health Office staff as well as our hospital partners. Additional vaccine providers on Kauai are in the application process and should be approved soon to receive vaccine directly. That will open up appointments to residents who meet the current 1A, 1B allocation criteria. Phase 1A and 1B focus on long-term care facility residents, healthcare workers, our kapuna age 75 and older, and frontline essential workers. Over the next few weeks, we will focus on second doses for 1A and 1B, as well as mobile clinics for homebound residents who meet the current allocation criteria. We expect to move into Phase 1C soon, and this will expand the eligible group to include our residents aged 65 to 74, residents 16 to 64 with high-risk health conditions, and all other essential workers not included in Phases 1A or 1B. As you might have noticed, we are moving more quickly with vaccine rollout than most of the nation. This is partly due to our low disease incidence rate on Kauai, which allows us to focus our Department of Health resources on our vaccination clinics. Currently, we are moving as quickly as the national vaccine supply allows. We are well positioned to ramp up our vaccine clinics as soon as the vaccine supply increases. Again, thank you so much to our staff and to the many Kauai Medical Reserve Corps volunteers who have worked tirelessly at our vaccination clinics over the past 7 weeks to vaccinate our most vulnerable residents. We look forward to vaccinating every Kauai resident who wants to receive the vaccine as soon as we can. For additional information on Kauai's vaccine rollout, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine.
Mahalo, Lauren, and to all those across our island who are helping to get our residents vaccinated. As a reminder, the Office of Economic Development and Kauai Chamber of Commerce will co-host an informational webinar for Kauai businesses on Thursday, February 4th. The purpose of the webinar is to educate local businesses on the new round of the Paycheck Protection Program and the Shuttered Venue Operators Grant, and to provide an opportunity for Q&As with local experts. For more information and to register for the webinar, please visit kauai4.com/webinar. For more information on unemployment extended benefits, please visit the state unemployment website at labor.hawaii.gov and click on the COVID-19 FAQs button at the top of the page. Our two local food banks, the Hawaii Food Bank Kauai Chapter and the Kauai Independent Food Bank, continue their food distribution programs for those in need. For more information, visit hawaiifoodbank.org/Kauai and kauaifoodbank.org. We know many of you are looking forward to the Super Bowl this Sunday. Thankfully, we've kept our case numbers low here, but that's not by accident. Our community has made many sacrifices over the course of the past year, and with the threat of new variants of COVID-19 here in Hawaii, it is more important than ever that we remain vigilant. Celebrate the Super Bowl at home with your immediate family. Please avoid large gatherings, but if you must gather with others outside of your family, please wear your mask, stay outdoors, and keep your distance from others. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands, keep your distance, and avoid large gatherings. Together, we can help to keep Kauai safe.